Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know what you're thinking, looking tasty. It is. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make lentils and whole grain rice, which is very nutritious. And by pairing them together, you can get a very healthy and balanced meal. So what you're seeing right now is a complete meal that I've made with pop chow cooked down in coconut milk, some baked beans as well cooked down in coconut milk. Now, if you're interested in adding more plant-based meals to your diet, lentils are always one of the first things you should actually turn to, which is one of my favorite. These tiny awesomeness are packed with protein and fiber powerhouses. They're actually easy to cook, by the way, and they have a delicious taste to it. It gives a delicious flavor to any dish that you actually create with lentils. So what I'm going to do is jump right into the video to These are all the ingredients that we will be using today to complete our recipes. Remember, you can add whatever you desire to your lentil rice to make it complete. So here I have some brown rice. You can use whichever rice you desire. You can use your white rice, your long grain rice, whatever rice. And definitely, we need our lentils. I highly recommend that you pre-soak your lentils the night before. It makes it easier to cook. We have our Himalayan salt, which is definitely an awesome salt, which improves brain function and digestion and has up to 84 minerals to detox the blood. Of course, you may be wondering, flaxseed. Yes, we do. Stay tuned to see why we're using it. We have our coconut. So this will be grated and turned into milk, as well as you can use your coconut powder. Of course, we can't forget to add our spices to our recipe. Now we have our onions, which actually boost your digestive health. We have our ginger, which helps with better blood pressure. And we also have our pepper, country Jamaican pepper. And we have our garlic, which helps to fight off chronic diseases. Now the lentil is actually on the fire, so you just have to add your water and let it be super hot. Put your peas in, let it boil up, and let it cook. While it's cooking, you can start getting your other stuff prepared, such as getting the rice done and much more. But before we jump into that, keep in mind you want to add half teaspoon or less of Himalayan salt. All depends on your desire. And let's jump into getting the rice washed. So we are washing our rice. As my granny said, wash it 5 times, wash it 6 times. I want to make sure the water white. So this is what I'm doing here, just slowly washing it so it comes out really clean and pretty and clear in order to get it ready. So what we're going to do now is to get our seasonings and spices ready while our lentils are still cooking. Now what we'll need to do is to clean these little birdies up to definitely get them all nice and diced up and ready for the next step. Be sure to subscribe and like our channel so you do not miss out on our next episode, which is going to be a series and episodes of herbal tea. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So thanks for chilling with Toya. So let's get these spices all diced up and chopped up. My coconut right now, so what I'm going to do is to go ahead and extract the milk from my coconut. You can blend your coconut, you can grate your coconut, or you can use your coconut powder, which would make it more faster. After extracted my coconut milk, here is how it looks. Keep in mind that coconut is very high in calories and has saturated fat, which is all natural. This is Jamaican coconut, making your rice and peas. Can't do without the coconut. Now, I went ahead and threw my coconut milk inside of my peas because it's all cooked and ready. And I'm just basically spinning it around to make it simmer and cook down. Here's a quick look at how the lentils are looking. So after simmering down, we're now going to add our spices and our herbs. So we're adding our spices and herbs right now, getting everything in and ready to start smelling that magic in the air. Alright, so you're definitely going to make sure you're spinning and stirring everything together so everything is dissolving out in the right way and making sure all the seasonings and the herbs are distributing in the right manner. So once that's done, you're good to go. But right now I'm just adding a little bit more of the Himalayan salt just to get it to the desired taste I want it to be. So don't forget to add your thyme to it right now. As you know, the thyme is very powerful. So if you actually take this by mouth, it actually helps with bronchitis, arthritis, as actually sore throat. So this is actually good and has a lot of health benefits towards using this type of herbs. So I'm just gonna let it sit for around 5 minutes and just added the rice to it right now. So we're pouring our rice in. So this is gonna be the best part. It's almost there. We just wanted to get that rice in and start stirring and basically get everything bonded as how it should be. So the moment you all been waiting for. So what we're going to do now is to add our flaxseed to our lentils and rice. As you know, lentil improves cholesterol, high in omega-3, and lower your blood pressure rate. So all you have to do is just mix in from here and let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. You can add this to your smoothies as well. Just keep that in mind. So here we have our lentils and rice. It's almost ready. What I'm going to do from here is just to add a little bit of water. But look at this. You can see your lentils, you can see your flaxseed, and you can see everything that's inside of this recipe. So I'm just gonna add a little water to this just to steam the rice a little bit longer to get it to the desired texture that I'm actually looking for. I'm super excited to taste this right now. Can't wait for it to be all done and get it all ready. So our lentils and rice is all finished. Look at this. It's so delicious. So what you can do, you can actually add whatever you desire to your lentils and rice. You can add different spices and different herbs. It all desire how you want to customize your lentil rice. Remember, lentils, you can have it just as is. You can curry lentil, you can barbecue lentil, and much more. And as is right now, lentils and rice, you can add your meat. So your curry chicken, your barbecue chicken, your fried chicken, your curry goat, and much more. But I chose to have it with just some baked beans that you're seeing here, which was so tasty. And you can see it's super nice. It's all natural. It's just a vegan dish that's super great. So if you love lentils like I do, drop me a comment in the comment bar, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell to be updated. Thanks for chilling with Toya.